Hello, students. Hello, friends. Welcome back to the Learn English Method. We are so happy to see you today. My name is Richard.
And hello, everyone. My name is Jennifer. We are here to help you speak English. We want you to feel happy and strong when you speak.
That is right, Jennifer. Today, we have a very important topic. It is episode number 39.
Episode 39 is a special one. Today, we are talking about getting lost.
Getting lost. That happens to everyone. I get lost sometimes.
I get lost too, Richard, even in my own city. But when you are in a new city, getting lost can be scary.
It can be scary, but if you know a few simple English phrases, it is easy. Today, we will learn how to ask for directions.
We will learn how to ask, "Where is it?" And we will learn how to understand the answer.
This episode is for A1 to A2 learners, so we will use short, clear direction words and slow listening practice.
So, are you ready to start? Let us take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Let's learn English.
Jennifer, imagine you are in a new city, maybe New York, maybe London. You are walking on the street. You want to find a coffee shop, but you do not know where to go. What is the first thing you do?
The first thing is to stop someone. You need to speak to a person on the street, but you must be polite.
Yes, being polite is very important in English. The magic phrase is excuse me.
Excuse me. That's two words. Excuse me. Let us practice that. Listen to Richard.
Excuse me.
Now you try. Say it out loud. Excuse me.
Good. One more time. Excuse me.
This phrase tells the person, "Hello, please help me." You can also say, "Sorry, excuse me."
Right. Sorry is very soft. It is very nice. Try saying both words. Sorry, excuse me.
Excellent. So now you have the person's attention. They stop walking, they look at you. Now you need to ask your question.
The easiest question for beginners is this. Where is the...
Where is the? Three words. Where is the?
Let us use the coffee shop example. You would say, "Excuse me, where is the coffee shop?"
Listen again. Where is the coffee shop? Now you try. Ask Richard.
Good job. Let us try another place. Imagine you need money. You need a bank.
The word is bank. B-A-N-K. Bank.
Ask the question. Use where is the.
Excuse me, where is the bank?
Perfect. Let us try one more place, a very important place, the bathroom or the toilet.
Yes, very important. You can say bathroom or restroom.
Let us use restroom. It is polite. Restroom.
Okay, students, ask the question.
Did you say, "Excuse me, where is the restroom"? If you did, that is fantastic.
So, Richard, we know how to ask, but asking is the easy part. The hard part is listening.
You are right, Jennifer. Understanding the answer is difficult. The person will give you directions. They will tell you where to go.
We need to learn three main directions. Just three.
The first one is go straight.
Go straight. This means do not turn. Just walk forward. Walk in a line.
Sometimes people say go straight ahead. It is the same thing.
Let us practice. Go straight.
Go straight ahead.
Good. The next direction is turn left.
Turn left. This is the side of your heart, your left side.
Turn left. Everyone, raise your left hand. Now say it. Turn left.
And the opposite direction is turn right.
Turn right. That is your other hand. Turn right.
So we have three big movements. Go straight, turn left, turn right.
Let us play a small game, Richard. I will be the tourist. I am lost. You help me.
Okay, I am ready.
Excuse me, where's the supermarket?
Go straight, then turn left.
Thank you. Did you hear that, students? Go straight, then turn left.
Let's try another one. Jennifer, ask me about the train station.
Excuse me, sorry to bother you. Where is the train station?
The train station? Go straight ahead, then turn right.
Okay, go straight ahead, turn right.
Simple, right? But Jennifer, sometimes the answer is not just turn left or turn right. Sometimes we need to know the location.
Location words. We call these prepositions. Words like next to.
Next to. This means beside. Like you and me, we are sitting next to each other.
The bank is next to the hotel.
Let us practice that sentence. The bank is next to the hotel.
Your turn. Say next to.
Good. Here's another important word. Opposite.
Opposite. This means across the street, face to face.
Imagine a street. The bank is on one side. The park is on the other side. The bank is opposite the park.
Opposite. Opposite. Opposite.
Let us try a sentence. The cafe is opposite the station.
Now you try. The cafe is opposite the station.
Very good speaking.
We have one more important word, Richard. Between.
Between. This means in the middle. Imagine three things: a bank, a hotel, a park. The hotel is in the middle.
So the hotel is between the bank and the park.
Yes, between means inside two other things.
This is getting a little harder. Let us take a small break and breathe.
Good idea. Breathe in and breathe out. You are doing great. Learning English takes time. Do not rush.
Okay, let us put it all together. We will do a full conversation, a real-life situation.
I will be the person on the street. Richard, you are the tourist. You are lost.
Okay, I am looking for the City Museum.
Action.
Excuse me, hello?
Yes, can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm a little lost. Where is the City Museum?
Oh, the museum. It is very close. Go straight for 2 minutes.
Go straight for 2 minutes. Okay.
Then turn left at the bank.
Turn left at the bank.
The museum is next to the bank. You cannot miss it.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Stop. That was a great conversation. Students, did you understand?
Let us look at the pieces. First, Jennifer said, "I'm a little lost." This is a good phrase.
I am lost. It tells people why you are speaking to them.
Then I said, "Go straight for 2 minutes." This tells you how far to walk.
Time is a good way to measure distance. 2 minutes, 5 minutes, it's easy to understand.
Then I said, "Turn left at the bank." This is important. Not just turn left anywhere. Turn left specifically at the bank.
And finally, the location. It is next to the bank.
Let us try a new scenario. Richard, you ask the students. Students, you listen to Richard, and then you try to answer.
Okay, students, I'm talking to you. Excuse me, where is the hospital?
Now, students, look at your imaginary map. The hospital is straight ahead. Tell Jennifer.
Did you say go straight ahead? If yes, good job.
Now tell Jennifer it is on the right.
Did you say it is on the right? Thank you.
Jennifer, sometimes we don't understand the answer. The person speaks too fast.
This is a big problem. Native speakers can talk very fast. It's hard for beginners.
What do you do if you don't understand? Do you run away?
No, do not run away. You must ask them to help you. You need a special phrase.
The phrase is, "Please speak slowly."
Please speak slowly. 3 words, very powerful.
Let us practice. Please speak slowly.
Or you can say, I don't understand.
I don't understand. Let's combine them. I'm sorry, I don't understand. Please speak slowly.
That is a perfect sentence. Students, repeat after Richard.
I'm sorry, I don't understand. Please speak slowly.
If you say this, the person will usually smile, they will slow down, they might use their hands to point.
Yes, watch their hands. Hands are a universal language. If they point left, you go left.
Let us talk about another way to ask. Sometimes we say, is there a...
Ah, yes. Is there a bank near here? This is a yes or no question.
Where's the bank? Asks for a location. Is there a bank? Asks if a bank exists.
Imagine you are hungry. You want food. Any food. You can say, "Excuse me, is there a restaurant near here?"
Practice that. Is there a restaurant near here?
The answer might be, "Yes, there is one on the corner."
Corner. That is a new word. C-O-R-N-E-R. Corner.
The corner is where two streets meet.
On the corner. Let us try a conversation with this. Jennifer, you need a pharmacy, a drugstore.
Okay. Excuse me, sir.
Yes?
Is there a pharmacy near here?
Yes, there is. Go straight 1 block.
1 block?
Yes, 1 block. Then turn right. The pharmacy is on the corner.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Jennifer used the word block. B-L-O-C-K. What is a block?
A block is a section of buildings surrounded by streets. In some places, people use blocks to measure distance. Walk 3 blocks.
So 1 block is the distance from one street to the next street.
Exactly. Go 2 blocks means cross 2 streets.
This is very common in some big cities, but it's good to know.
Let us review our vocabulary today. We have a lot of good words.
We have places, bank, hotel, restaurant, restroom, museum, pharmacy, station.
We have actions. Go straight, turn left, turn right, stop.
We have location words, next to, opposite, between, on the corner.
And we have polite phrases. Excuse me, sorry, please speak slowly, thank you.
Jennifer, what if we use a phone? Everyone has a smartphone now. Maps apps.
That is true, but sometimes your phone has no battery or no internet.
Or sometimes the map is wrong.
Exactly. Also, speaking to people is good practice. It is good to be brave.
I agree. Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
If you say, where bank, instead of where is the bank, people will often understand you.
Yes, communication is the goal. Perfection comes later.
Let us do a final listening challenge. I will give a longer set of directions. Students, try to follow in your head. Close your eyes if you want.
Okay, I'm ready. Where are we going, Jennifer?
We are going to the cinema to watch a movie. Start at the train station.
Okay, I'm at the train station.
Go straight ahead for 5 minutes. You will see a big park on your left.
Okay, straight for 5 minutes. Park is on the left.
Walk past the park. Do not turn. Keep going straight.
Walk past the park. Okay.
Then you will see a traffic light. At the light, turn right.
Turn right at the traffic light.
The cinema is next to the supermarket on the right side.
Next to the supermarket on the right. I found it.
Did you find it, students? That was longer.
Let us break it down. Traffic light. That's the light with red, yellow, and green colors.
Walk past. This means go next to it, but do not stop. Keep walking.
These are great phrases. You are learning so well today.
Richard, do you have any tips for our listeners to practice this week?
Yes, here's easy homework for you. You can do this in your house.
In the house? How?
Stand in your living room, pretend you are a tourist. Say out loud, "Excuse me, where is the kitchen?"
That is funny.
Then answer yourself. Go straight, turn left. It sounds silly, but it helps your mouth remember the words.
That is a great idea. Or use a map on your phone. Look at a city you like. Maybe Paris, maybe Tokyo. Look at the map and practice giving directions to a famous place.
Yes, say the words. Go straight on this street. Turn right. Practice makes you stronger.
We want you to feel confident. Next time you travel, you will be ready.
And remember, people are usually friendly. If you smile and say, "Excuse me," they want to help you.
Especially if you try to speak English, they respect that you are trying.
Before we finish, let us repeat the most important phrase one last time.
Excuse me, where is the?
Excuse me, where is the
And the directions. Left, right, straight.
left, right, straight?
You did a wonderful job today. Getting lost is not so scary now.
No, it can be an adventure. It can be a chance to practice English.
We hope you enjoyed this episode, episode 39.
If you liked this lesson, please help us. Please subscribe to our channel, Learn English Method.
Yes, please subscribe and follow us for the next episode too.
We have more episodes coming. We will talk about food, shopping, and meeting friends.
And if you have a question, write a comment. We love to read your comments. Tell us, have you ever been lost in a new city?
Write your story in simple English. I was lost in London. I was lost in New York.
Thank you for listening to us today. Thank you for studying.
You are doing great. Keep practicing every day. Just 5 minutes a day helps a lot.
We will see you in the next episode. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Richard. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a safe journey.
Wait, Jennifer, before we truly go, shall we do one small bonus round?
A bonus round? That sounds fun. What is it?
Let us talk about landmarks.
Landmarks. That's a big word.
A landmark is a very famous place, like a big statue or a tall bridge.
Ah, like the Statue of Liberty or Big Ben.
Yes, when people give directions, they often use landmarks. They say, "Do you see the big bridge?"
Go towards the bridge. Towards. That means go in the direction of the bridge.
Yes, towards.
Go towards the tall building. This can be easier than street names.
Street names can be hard to read. Sometimes they are small, sometimes they are hidden.
But a big church or a big river is easy to see.
So if you are lost, look up. Look for something big.
You can ask, "Excuse me, where is the river?"
And then you follow the river.
That is a very good tip, Richard. Visual clues help a lot.
Okay, now we can really finish.
Yes, thank you for the bonus, Richard.
Thank you, Jennifer, and thank you, students. See you next time.
Bye-bye.